Have you ever felt no matter how hard you try, you're stuck in the same place, watching others succeed while you struggle? It's frustrating, isn't it? Sometimes you are good at work, you achieve the short target, but sometimes shift feels off. The missing key isn't motivation, luck, or talent. It's self-respect, respect towards yourself. Think about your life right now. Do you ever say yes when you actually want to say no? Life isn't always great, it is matter what you feel to yourself. You know what is right, but you don't act on it. You set deadline, make promises to yourself, but break them. This is not that you're not motivated, because if motivation was enough, you wouldn't feel stuck after trying so hard. Let me tell you a short story. There were two friends. One of them was talent than other, but growth was noticeable than good one because he always thought that he could do better than he was. He believed that he was not limited. This was because of self-respect, where most people try to grow without self-respect. Here, the shift that changes everything. Growth is not blocked by lack of effort. It's blocked by lack of self-respect. Every time you tolerate less than you deserve from other or from yourself, what you do is the signal to your mind. If you feel you can, then your brain act as, and you are able to perform that. You need to train your brain by a magic formula, self-respect. Once your mind believes that your growth starts to grow. Self-respect helps you to train by performing small actions. Everything starts to change. Your mind starts to believe you, and you make better decisions. You keep your promise. Your action starts to align. How do you actually build self-respect? Not through motivation, not overnight, but through consistent action. Never try to mess by making random promises. Just try to keep small promises and start small. Just target to do small tasks, but keep that promises. Be loyal to your promises. Like promise to wake up at 5 a.m. means not 4 a.m., not 6 a.m. This trains your brain form a habit. You perform your daily routine early. This small action make your willpower strong and rebuild trust to yourself. Never try to feel guilt. This means make a simple daily routine that can be performed easily. Early wake up, 15 minutes of meditation, 30 minutes of walk. After some time, this routine become effortless and without forcing yourself. Upgrade and set new boundary, because this will strengthen your self-respect. You know you deserve more. Never compromise when you get satisfied with small achievement. You're limiting your ability. You train your mind with small actions, but just target for the big achievement. Raise your standards. When you raise your standard, you challenge the comfort zone. And this happens when you decide, now you're ready for a new version. At the end of the day, reflect yourself what you achieved. Is that day really give you the value you deserve? If you feel lighter from inside, means you're building self-respect inside yourself. You're choosing your freedom. Just one promise, one boundary, one decision. That's all it takes to begin. Because the truth is, the moment you respect yourself, your life starts respecting you back. If this video made you think differently, hit the like and subscribe for more content like this. And comment below, what's one way you'll start respecting yourself today? Let's grow together.